let's find a comfortable position right here on your chair. Close your eyes and relax your jaw. So no tension right here in your cheeks. And I want you to connect with your breath. And I'm going to guide you through that. And slowly bring your shoulders up to your ears. Inhale. Exhale, down and back. And let's bring your right hand on your stomach. I want you to feel the movement of your breath. When you inhale, push your tummy out towards me. Exhale, tummy in. That's it. And again, inhale, tummy out. Exhale in. And just keep going slowly at your own pace. So this is the abdominal breath, and it's also the easiest when we start with yoga. If you want to try the Yogi Breath, I invite you to bring your left hand on your heart. And we're going to use the 3 cavities. We're going to inhale again through your stomach. Inhale, tummy up, chest, and up to your collarbones. And exhale from the stomach, chest, collarbones. And again, inhale, 1 cavity at a time. And exhale, 1 cavity at a time. If you don't like this one, it's too complicated, just go back with the abdominal breath. Listen to yourself. And make sure there's no tension in your body. Shoulders are down, fingers are relaxed. And on your next exhale, we're going to slowly release our hands. And you're going to leave them wherever you feel them comfortable. You can leave your hands flat on your thighs. You can interlace your fingers to reflect the palms towards your heart. Or you can take the meditation pose by joining index and thumbs together. So feel your feet in contact with the earth and grounded. And then relax your mind by focusing on the quality of your breath. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just bring it back and try to stay here in the room, in the present moment. And can you inhale slowly for 4 counts? Exhale slowly for 8 counts. And inhale positive thoughts. Exhale negative thoughts. And slowly move forward on your chair. Bring your hands in front of your good heart and feel your feet flat again and in contact with the earth. I'm going to inhale to reach towards the sky. Exhale, palms down. Again, hands in front of the heart. Inhale. Exhale. One more time up to inhale. Exhale. Bring your hands again in front of your good heart. And your thought of the day. I hope that you have such a beautiful day that it heals every part of you. Almost there, huh? Inhale up. Exhale to cactus. And again, up to inhale. Exhale, cactus. One more time, up. And then cactus. Let's see here. So shoulders are down and squeeze your shoulder blades together. And to improve form, posture, push your head back to have a double chin. So I'm just bringing ears in line with the shoulders again, because usually we're like that. And doing the chicken right now, see? And release, rotate your shoulders slowly backwards. I'm gonna inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, down and back. So nice and slow. That's it. And let's do the new way, cat and cow. We're gonna inhale. Exhale, slide your hands towards the crease of your hips, come forward. Inhale, slide your hands towards your knees, come back. Exhale, forward. So staying nice and tall and just doing a hinge from the hips and follow your breath. Beautiful. So watch your head. I want you to do the chin tuck and then go forward. We'll leave the chicken at the farm, the turtles in Maui. I can't wait to go back. I love Maui. Who doesn't? That's it. Can we go again for one more? And we're going to stay forward. So squeeze your shoulder blades together. You decide how deep you want to go. You can bring your abs to your spine to protect your lower back. How are you breathing? Can you squeeze even more? Elbows very close to your body. Splash yourself with water. Let's go. Inhale. Exhale to cactus. And again, inhale. Exhale. And 2 more. That's it. One more time. Good. Bring your arms right here by your side. Chin tuck. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. So make sure you are down and then squeeze towards the back. Anne, are you breathing? Okay, merci beaucoup. Well, I am asking her because I know she's going to answer to me. Let's do your legs. We're going to bring the right leg up, so my left, your right, and slowly release, and let's switch your legs. So try to stay nice and tall. If you don't have prana with your back, just bring your back off the chair to work more your core. I'm sure this is something else you have lost with COVID. No more core anymore. I know. And up. That's it. And up. Can you flex your foot? Nice. Okay, now look at that. Left arm, left, yep. Left leg, left arm. What's your right? What's your left? Ta-da-da! Same arm, same leg. Easy. And let's switch it up. Are you breathing? Okay. Almost. Okay, now lift your left, lift your right arm. Yahoo! And switch. Okay, now we're going to sing. Do you remember? Happy birthday. You keep moving. Are you ready? Happy birthday to you. We all know this song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear someone. Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip, hip. Good. And slowly release. Do you know why I did that? I did that yesterday with my group as well. Do you know why I did that? Breathe, yes. Coordination. Because now you had to think about your movement and you had to think about the song. Oh. Okay, let's do your neck. Slowly turn your head to the right. I told you I like playing with you. Inhale, come back. I want to keep you young forever. Exhale, turn to the left. And inhale, come back. Exhale to the side. You're welcome to close your eyes if you want to be in your own bubble, to focus more on your movement and the quality of your breath. Are you starting your breath from the stomach? Maybe? Okay. Is it Anne who answered me again? Who talked? Who said yes? Oh, Pat and Anne. Good. Now we're going to bring the chin down towards your chest. Inhale, come back. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. And down. Try to move only your neck, nothing else. And again, just follow your breath. And then we're going to start again, chin down to your chest. Let's meet there. We're going to inhale towards the left shoulder. Keep shoulders down. Exhale forward. Inhale above the right. Exhale down. Try to keep your shoulders down. I'm doing half circles with my head. Half circles. That's it. Next time you come above your left shoulder, let's see here. Shoulders are down and back. And bring your right arm by your side. Show me the palm of your hand. We're going to do fist to inhale. Exhale, open. Again, inhale. Let go. Again, make sure your shoulder is staying down. That's it. One more. Optional to use the weight of your left hand on your head. Anytime it's too much, you release your hands. And turn your head to look down towards your left armpit. And slowly look up to the sky, to the right. Again, anytime you can release your hands. And then let's release our hands. Look down towards the floor again. Relaxing your shoulders, arms, all the way down to your fingers. Slowly bring your right ear above your right shoulder. You're staying nice and tall. Shoulders down. Let's bring your left arm by your side. Same thing. I'm going to inhale to fist. Exhale, let it go. So bring your arm very close to your armrest. Yes, inhale, fist. Exhale. Come on, let go. Inhale. Louder. That's better. Again, 2 more. Let go. Nice. 1 more. Let go. And optional to use the weight of your right hand on your head. Do you feel the stretch on the left side of your neck? We're all tight in the neck. Are you relaxing your jaw? Andrea, are you breathing? She didn't hear me. And let's go look down towards the right armpit. And slowly look up to the sky, to the left. And release your arms. Bring your head to neutral. Beautiful.